In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video aspect ratio in CapCut PC. If you've ever opened a project and seen those ugly black bars around your footage, or you need to switch a horizontal video into a clean vertical format for shorts and reels, this is the quick, reliable way to do it without guesswork. Start by looking right beneath the central video preview player in CapCut. This is the main screen where you watch your edits. Just below it, alongside the usual playback controls, you'll see a small button labeled Ratio. It also displays your current dimensions, so you can immediately tell what shape your project is in. This is the control that defines your project's canvas, not just a clip setting, so what you choose here affects the overall frame your audience will see. Click the Ratio button to open CapCut's global formatting grid. This brings up a clear set of aspect options. Think of aspect ratio as the shape of your video frame. It determines whether your video is wide like a computer monitor or tall like a phone screen. For standard widescreen monitors, laptops, and most desktop viewing, choose 16 by 9 by 10. That's the classic horizontal layout used by YouTube and most landscape video formats. If you're preparing vertical content for smartphones, like Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, pick 9 by 16 instead. The selection applies instantly to the project canvas, so you'll see the change right away. After you make your choice, the background canvas updates on the spot. If your clip doesn't naturally fill the new shape, for example, if you switched from horizontal to vertical, you might notice empty space or black bars. That's normal. To fix it, click the video clip on your timeline to select it. Then look to the top right panel under Video. Find the scale slider and slowly increase it until your footage cleanly reaches the edges of the frame. The goal is 0 black bars and a full polished fill. Take your time and make small adjustments. Scaling too aggressively can soften the image, so aim for the smallest increase that completely covers the canvas. And that's it. You located the ratio control, chose the right shape for your audience, 16 by 9 for widescreen, 9 by 16 for vertical, and then use the scale slider to fill the frame perfectly. With these simple moves, your project layout matches your platform, your video looks intentional, and those distracting bars are gone. You're all set. Done.